What is that? Ma,
Attorney, iiwan muna kami.
Ma,
I signed my confession. I did it. Ako yung nagtaas ng dosage ng steroids ni Byron. Ako yung nag-utos kay Jigger i-frame ang daddy mo. And I was the one who shot Jigger.
anong sabi ni attorney? Did she cut a deal with the police? Gano'n daw katagal? Ilang years ka daw sa kulungan?
25 years. 20 kung magpapakabait ako sa loob. It doesn't matter. I won't last 6 months in prison.
No. Ma. Ma, don't say that. You're a fighter. You can't give up. I'll do everything. Tsaka, yes, you made mistakes in the past. Pero di ba nagsisisi ka naman, ha? We'll find a way. I'll look for another lawyer. Maghahanap ako ng makakatulong sa atin. Maghahanap ako ng taong makakalower ng sentence mo. I'll do everything.
Don't have to, Amelie. You don't have to.
20 years. 20 years. 40 na ako nun, Ma. Baka may anak na ako dun. Baka may apo ka na. Dadalawin ka namin.
Alam mo, hirap na hirap ako nung pinagbuntis kita. Hihina daw yung kapit mo. Muntik ako makunan twice. Kaya nung lumabas ka, I promised myself, hindi ko hahayaang mawala ka sa akin. Sobra naman.
No. You were just protecting me. I know.
And that destroyed us. You hated me. You hated me. Sorry. The more you despise me, the more I wanted to control you. And I'm sorry, naging mahigpit ako sa'yo, Amelie. I'm so sorry. You're now free. You're free from me. Wala ka ng responsibilidad bilang anak sa akin.
Stop. Stop saying that, Ma. Stop saying that.
Ano naman yung gusto mo, diba, wala na ako sa buhay mo.
You made mistakes. You made mistakes, but that will never erase the fact that you're my mother. Never, Mom. Never.
Oo. You're now free na. Gawin mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Magpatato ka. I naman who will love you. Lahat ng pinagbawal ko, gawin mo na dahil wala ka ng mommy na magbabawal sa'yo. Wala na.
Stop. Stop it, Ma. Malalaban tayo, di ba? I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll do everything. But I promise.
Officer, handa na ako.
No, wait lang. Wait lang, Ma. Let me help you. Wait. Sandali lang, Ma. Ma, wait. 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 Wait now.
Amelie. heard what happened, I thought you might need someone beside you. Kahit kaibigan lang muna. Mom,
Nagsumbong ang driver mo sa akin. Pinuntahan mo raw yung lintik na Amelie na yan. Stay away from her. Her entire family is an embarrassment.
Amelia. Amelia, I'm sorry.
Your mom's right.
No, she isn't.
I should stay away from you. I bring nothing but shame to you guys. Iwan mo na ako.
Amelie, please, you need a friend.
You're not that friend.
Oh my God! Totoo nga, Amelie. Meron ka sex video?
Nakakadiri ka! Kitang-kita yung kalaswaan mo na ginawa mo all over the internet.
Iiwan mo kami? Ha? Makikipagbalikan ko dun sa ex mo si Tita Leona? Ganun ba?
Iposas niyo si Mrs. Baltasar.
You're now free. You're free from me. Wala ka ng responsibilidad bilang anak sa akin.
Alam mo bang inabuso si Zach?
Sino lang abuso?
Gusto kong may witness sa mga susunod na mangyayari. Huwag mong ibababa, Liv.
Si Tito Leonard. Inaakusahan ng child abuse.
Hayop ka! Mamatay ka na, hayop ka!
Si Tito Leonard. May nalaman kami ni Inspector Juro about him.